This is Tecno Camon 18 Premiere, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes widget to home screen on this device. So to start, you will need to open the home screen, then make the pinch-in or shrink and swipe like that. Onwards, open the list of available widgets, and let's see if we have any notepad widgets available to us by default. Or notes, notepad, keep notes, something like that. Apparently not, so let's download the app that will provide us with one. Usually I just go with Keep Notes app by Google, but if you know the Notepad application that allows you to create widgets out of it, and you prefer it more, just go for it. So now the app is installed. Let's reopen the widgets menu and try finding the Keep Notes widget. So here it is. Now let's select the design that we would like to go with. I'll go with this particular one, for example. Then drop it wherever you would like to see it at. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.